Guys, it's Michelle. Thanks so much for joining. Today I have a special unboxing of a bag that I've just been so curious to try because I see her everywhere. So anyone want to guess what's in here? Just kidding, it's probably on the title already. So let's open her. I want to introduce you to Luxe Du Jour. They are an online consignment shop based in Canada and just moved to where I live. Check out their beautiful packaging. So I borrowed, you can see what's in there. Some of their consignment bags have everything with it. And when I say everything, I mean the authenticity card, the box, the dust bag, and some of them do not, but you might get lucky. So I love the Dior box. I've got to tell you a story. Before I worked for Vuitton, before luxury was so popular, before there was a line out the door for Dior, that store was always quiet, and I have a good friend who worked there, and she would always hand me the beautiful white textured shopping bag, and she'd put like candy and perfume in it and give it to my daughter. She just adored my daughter, so it was always fun to go in Dior, and I didn't realize how special that was because, you know, people try to walk up into Louis now and ask for a shopping bag or an extra shopping bag, and like we just can't do it. So anyways, love the Dior packaging. It even came with the ribbon. So let's see what we got inside here. Even has the Dior dust bag. Da, 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 da. I decided I wanted to try out the Lady Dior. Not sure what size she is, but she definitely is a bigger size. Oh, isn't this beautiful? It has a little perfumey from, like, you know, whoever owned it. Oh, this is nice. The stickers are actually still on the inside of the, here you go. Ooh, the stickers are still on it. So whoever owned this, it does not look like it was used at all. So from Luxe Du Jour, you can either buy consignment. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look, the stickers, even these stickers are still on there. And so this was probably owned by an Asian like me because we like to keep the stickers on. Okay, so Luxe Du Jour, you can buy or you can rent for 15 days. It's a great way to try a bag, or if you're going to an occasion, you know, and you need your red carpet handbag. Also a great way to try before you buy, because you guys, you cannot try before you buy at the luxury store. You cannot test run for the 30-day return period. It is not for that. Honestly, this bag never really interested me. I wanted to see what the hype was all about. So I did a little research too about why she's called the Lady Dior. So it was debuted in 1995 by Diana, Princess of Wales, who herself, I believe she is the ultimate style icon. First wore it at a Cézanne art exhibition, and previous to her wearing this, it did not have a name. So of course, her name is Lady Di, is what we nicknamed her. So the bag became Lady Dior. Oh, it all makes sense now. Okay, not only that, now that I know all of that Lady Di carried this bag, just that alone might make me want to get a mini one, because I looked up pictures and she was carrying like a little black Lady Dior, and she's just so elegant. She is the epitome of elegance. Now, other things that you do see this on a lot of Dior products is the way it looks like, kind of like a charm bracelet. And this was Christion Dior's signature. He loved his Lucky Charms. Now the quilting, the CANNAGE quilting, is a nod to the Napoleon chairs that his guests would sit on during his fashion show. So obviously this is a blown up version of the pattern that you find on the chairs. So that explains it. I always do love quilted bags. It's not too pillowy, just must be the textile sensation for me that I like pressing on them like it's bubble wrap. So this is a metallic blue. It is a little big for my taste, I'll have to say. So I wanted to give it the test run to see, you know, how I wear the bag. She does have a crossbody strap. Now this type of bag, I do not believe should be worn crossbody, but I understand now why everyone has to have crossbody, because just for safety reasons, you don't want your bag literally snatched out of your hand. I always think about that. Or an event you want to be hands-free. I see people carrying it like this. Usually if I carry a top handle bag, I just leave the strap at home. Yeah, one thing I don't like about is like the handles are just gonna kind of flop and be in the way. Oh, let me rearrange this. I'm actually gonna clip that to the outside loop. Okay, so that's better. The handles will just stay up, but I'm gonna do you guys a favor and wear it around and see what I think. So now that I've had the chance to try the bag, she is absolutely beautiful and such a head turner. So I tried her with various outfits and just decided to honor the spirit of Lady Diana and wear her a little bit dressy, wear her against a black outfit. She is really a head turner and it felt so good to carry this bag. I love that she has feet. So when you have to set it down like on the bathroom counter, that protects the bag. The feel of this leather is just amazing. Now the only thing is this size is a little big for me because it makes the bag heavy. You can fit a lot in here. I have the crossbody strap here. I prefer it as a handbag. Fits my wallet, my keys, my hand lotion, my makeup. Fits my coin purse where I keep like my jewelry. Fits sunglasses. But I have to be careful not to overstuff it because she does get a little bit heavy. Just the structure of the bag, the handles adds a little bit of weight. So I still try to be minimal when carrying this. But I definitely will look into a smaller piece for myself that I think would be a little more comfortable for daily use. The bigger the bags get, I tend to maybe not use them as much because they'll get heavy. However, this girl you can find on the Luxe Du Jour website if she is your style. By the way, I love the color. See how the color just pops against black or even if you're wearing cream. And this is why I love not buying black bags, so that the bag really pops and stands out. And this is such a beautiful blue that has a metallic look to it, a metallic finish. Can't not love the charms. Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyways, check out Luxe Du Jour and I have my coupon code down at the bottom too. Let me know if this video was helpful, if you have any questions about the Lady Dior, if you own one, and what are your thoughts? Thank you guys so much for joining. My name is Michelle. Talk to you soon. Bye.